This Mexican street corn salad is creamy, smoky, tangy, and incredibly addictive. You only need sweet corn, mayo, sour cream, fresh lime juice, cilantro, chili powder, jalapeño, and crumbled cotija cheese. Cook the corn in a hot skillet until it gets beautifully charred. This adds the smoky flavor that makes this salad taste just like authentic street corn. Finally chop the cilantro and jalapeño, then squeeze fresh lime juice for a bright citrus kick. Mix together mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, and chili powder until smooth and nice and smooth. And there you have it, a perfect creamy chili lime dressing. Add the corn, fresh herbs, jalapeno, and plenty of cotija cheese. Stir until every bite is coated in flavor. Finish with extra cheese, cilantro, and a little more chili powder for the perfect presentation. Finish creamy, smoky, tangy, and slightly spicy. This is the ultimate summer side dish. Save this recipe and make it for your next barbecue or family dinner. Follow for more recipes.